to Soundbites Academy. You have reached day 2 of our 30 days English level up challenge for beginners. I am a 16-year-old student.
I am a 16-year-old student.
What is your favorite type of fruit?
What is your favorite type of fruit?
May I know her name?
May I know her name?
I enjoy going for walks in nature to clear my minds.
I enjoy going for walks in nature to clear my minds.
What is your email address?
What is your email address?
Today is such a sunny day.
Today is such a sunny day.
Who was the performer in that music concert?
Who was the performer in that music concert?
She is my teacher, Ms. Brown.
She is my teacher, Ms. Brown.
Are you free next week?
Are you free next week?
What is the weather today?
What is the weather today?
I'm planning to visit a new city soon. Any suggestions?
I'm planning to visit a new city soon. Any suggestions?
Sorry for being late. There was traffic.
Sorry for being late. There was traffic.
My mother said she is going to buy us a cake.
My mother said she is going to buy us a cake.
Do you enjoy camping or staying in hotels when you travel?
Do you enjoy camping or staying in hotels when you travel?
Rose is my favorite type of flower.
Rose is my favorite type of flower.
I love trying out new recipes in the kitchen.
I love trying out new recipes in the kitchen.
I enjoy watching sitcoms with my best friend.
I enjoy watching sitcoms with my best friend.
This is a naughty cat.
This is a naughty cat.
What is your favorite type of ice cream flavor?
What is your favorite type of ice cream flavor?
Which one is your bag?
Which one is your bag?
I'm really excited about the upcoming music album release.
I'm really excited about the upcoming music album release.
She is a beautiful lady with long hair.
She is a beautiful lady with long hair.
I love going to the theater to watch live performances.
I love going to the theater to watch live performances.
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
I enjoy writing in my journal as a way to express myself.
I enjoy writing in my journal as a way to express myself.
When is your birthday?
When is your birthday?
Learning English requires daily practice.
Learning English requires daily practice.
Do you want to join our party next Friday?
Do you want to join our party next Friday?
He is tall and fat.
He is tall and fat.
What do you want for breakfast?
What do you want for breakfast?
I love going to music concerts, but not art galleries.
I love going to music concerts, but not art galleries.
Is this dish savory or sweet?
Is this dish savory or sweet?
I have changed my address.
I have changed my address.
Remember to bring your umbrella.
Remember to bring your umbrella.
What is your favorite type of cuisine to eat at restaurants?
What is your favorite type of cuisine to eat at restaurants?
She likes this red hat.
She likes this red hat.
I'm planning to visit a new country soon. Any travel tips?
I'm planning to visit a new country soon. Any travel tips?
Are you feeling better now?
Are you feeling better now?
I know chocolate is his favorite type of snack.
I know chocolate is his favorite type of snack.
We are running late.
We are running late.
It is summer now.
It is summer now.
I enjoy watching documentaries about wildlife and nature.
I enjoy watching documentaries about wildlife and nature.
Can I give it a try?
Can I give it a try?
What is your favorite type of sandwich?
What is your favorite type of sandwich?
This event is happening next week.
This event is happening next week.
Sorry, I didn't mean it this way.
Sorry, I didn't mean it this way.
What is your favorite type of drink?
What is your favorite type of drink?
Do you prefer soccer or basketball?
Do you prefer soccer or basketball?
My mother works for this company.
My mother works for this company.
I enjoy doing DIY projects and crafts in my spare time.
I enjoy doing DIY projects and crafts in my spare time.
Have you ever visited a zoo?
Have you ever visited a zoo?
What is your favorite type of cuisine when dining out?
What is your favorite type of cuisine when dining out?
What is this story about?
What is this story about?
What is your favorite type of pasta dish?
What is your favorite type of pasta dish?
Keep going. Do not give up.
Keep going. Do not give up.
What is on the news today?
What is on the news today?
English is my favorite subject.
English is my favorite subject.
Can you pass me that glass?
Can you pass me that glass?
I have a dentist appointment next week.
I have a dentist appointment next week.
Let's go for a walk later.
Let's go for a walk later.
What is the correct spelling of your name?
What is the correct spelling of your name?
He is my grandfather, Joe.
He is my grandfather, Joe.
Don't forget to drink water and wear a hat.
Don't forget to drink water and wear a hat.
Is this on Facebook?
Is this on Facebook?
She said this pen belongs to Tim.
She said this pen belongs to Tim.
None of us like this drink.
None of us like this drink.
Let me introduce you this place.
Let me introduce you this place.
You have a nice hair today.
You have a nice hair today.
Mary is a smart student.
Mary is a smart student.
I'm sorry for my behavior.
I'm sorry for my behavior.
My cousin has short hair and big eyes.
My cousin has short hair and big eyes.
Where did you get his blue jacket? It looks nice.
Where did you get his blue jacket? It looks nice.
Italian or Japanese cuisine? Which do you prefer?
Italian or Japanese cuisine? Which do you prefer?
What do you put in your wallet?
What do you put in your wallet?
May I borrow this pencil for a moment?
May I borrow this pencil for a moment?
This bag is too heavy for me to carry.
This bag is too heavy for me to carry.
Where did you find this yellow handbag?
Where did you find this yellow handbag?
The exit is on ground floor.
The exit is on ground floor.
I am the leader of this group.
I am the leader of this group.
Are you free to call later today?
Are you free to call later today?
Hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below if you found any content challenging and share your thoughts with other learners. Subscribe, like, and share this video to support us and stay up to date on new courses. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.